Are you struggling to manage your weight and tired of fad diets that don't work? It's time to explore the power of plant-based nutrition. Stick around to learn how you can control your weight effectively with these easy tips and tricks. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to control your weight with a plant-based diet. Weight control can be a daunting task, especially with so many diets promising quick fixes that often don't deliver. The struggle with restrictive diets can leave you feeling frustrated and defeated. But what if I told you that you could achieve your weight goals by simply embracing a plant-based diet? Let's talk about the benefits of plant-based nutrition. Unlike many traditional diets, a plant-based approach focuses on whole, nutrient-dense foods that can keep you full and satisfied. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are not only low in calories but also high in essential nutrients and fiber. This means you can eat more volume and still consume fewer calories, helping you to manage your weight more effectively. Here are some practical tips to get you started. Focus on fiber-rich foods. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to feeling full and satisfied. Incorporate plenty of beans, lentils, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Don't forget healthy fats. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds are crucial. They help you feel full and provide essential nutrients for your body. Plan your meals. Meal planning can save you time and help you make healthier choices. Prepare a week's worth of plant-based meals in advance to stay on track. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep those unnecessary cravings at bay. Mindful eating. Take time to enjoy your meals. Eat slowly and savor each bite. This practice can help you recognize when you're full and prevent overeating. Now, for the game changer: consistency. The key to successful weight control with a plant-based diet lies in making these habits a part of your daily routine. It's not about perfection, but about progress and making better choices each day. In summary, a plant-based diet can be a powerful tool for weight control. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, planning your meals, and incorporating healthy fats and fiber, you can achieve your weight goals naturally and sustainably. Ready to start your plant-based weight control journey? Click the link in the description below for exclusive resources and meal plans to help you get started. And don't forget to share your progress with us in the comments. We love hearing your success stories. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.